Hello, today we want to look at quadratic identities. Quadratic identities are very important shortcuts to anybody who is a mathematician, that's a learner, and the teacher. We want to start with the first quadratic identity. This is the first quadratic identity. So this A plus B brackets square. How do you use this one? A plus B in the bracket square. You bring this to here, you write A, you bring this to here, okay? Then because this is a plus, you write plus. After writing A square, you write plus, because this here is a plus, so you write plus. Then you come and write 2 this here times A times B. If you write, so you multiply, you get 2AB. So you come here and write 2AB. Then the final step is B square. You write B square. So that is the first quadratic identity.